Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'll be showing you how I wax my underarms using the hard wax. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll get my wax heater and come in with the wax beads. I'll warm it till I get the correct consistency. So as you can see, it is melted here and I like this consistency, so I'll just put it on pause. Since I need to start on clean skin, I've already cleaned my underarms, so I'll just go ahead and clean it one more time. I'll be using the pre-wax liquid. So I'll get a part of the wax and just spread it on my underarm. I'll let it cool down and harden a little bit, then I'll go ahead and strip it off. I will come in again with more of the wax. This time I will strip it off in the opposite direction. This will make sure I get rid of every hair that I might have missed in the first process. I'll go ahead and repeat the process on the other underarm. After I'm done, I'll go ahead and come in with an after wax cleanser. Finally, I'll come in with a natural oil. Here I'm using the coffee oil. And I'm all done now, so this is how I get rid of the hair on my underarm. And I'm all done now, and this is how I get rid of my underarm hair. I must say I prefer to use the hard wax on my underarms, especially sensitive areas, because it's less painful. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye!